Alright everyone, my name is J.R. Wright and I'm here talking from J.R. Wright's apartment. I'm actually making this video to help people that have products on their website that they're trying to get integrated into their Facebook page so they could actually tag products on their Instagram page. So it's just a quick video of how to do that, and I'm actually going to update my products as well in the process, so you'll see every step that I have taken to get my products updated. So pretty much you want to have your Facebook page already logged in. If you haven't made a Facebook page, as in a business page, I'll make a video for that. Just click the link below. It should be in the info. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have your Facebook page up, and you're gonna have your Shopify page loaded up as well. So you go to Facebook. What you're gonna do first things first is go to shop. You're gonna see a box that has a plus sign and it has an add product text right below it. You click that and this box should pop up. It'll be a window that has add photos and add videos. Now if you have videos, you can actually put that in as well. I haven't done videos, so I don't want to say, hey, you should have a 10-second video or 30-second video. I don't know how long the videos could be for the videos, but just know you could do either or. Now what you're going to do is click add photos, select files, and I already have the pictures already available. So I'm gonna just do this right here. And then we're just gonna drag it over. You could drag it over or you could just hit open, either one. If you don't know where each picture is, I would say drag it over so that way the folder does not close on you. Makes it easier for you. You're gonna click use photos. Now what you're gonna do is, there's a name box right under that. Name is the product name, the product title, pretty much. So what I do, make it easier for you, go to your products, and then you're just gonna go to whatever product it is that you're updating or uploading onto the Facebook page, and you're just gonna go over and copy that name right there in the title. Go back to your Facebook page, Control V, that pastes the name under there for you. You want to go back and get your price. My price is $26.50. So just go back, type that in, and if the product is on sale on your page, all you have to do is just click that right there. This product is on sale, and you see it pops up. It lets you list the sale price. You can always go back and unclick that, so it's always edible. It's always an option for you to edit that sales price. It's always an option. You can always go back and edit that. So I'm gonna click that off because there is a sale, but it's a 10% sale, and you have to actually go on my page to get that free advertisement. So what you want to do is, there's description box right there. You're gonna go back to your Shopify page. If you know your description by heart, go ahead and type that in. If you don't, just go back, copy it, Control C. If you don't know, that's a shortcut for you. Go back to your description and click Control V, both at the same time. That pastes that for you. Now the next box, checkout URL. Your checkout URL, it's not your website. It's not just your homepage website. It's not that. For the people that don't know, your checkout URL is pretty much when you're getting ready to add the item to your cart, pay for your item. So what you want to do is make it easier for you. You should do this real quick. You're gonna go up, if you have Shopify. I don't know any other apps or any other websites that do it like this, but if you have Shopify, you're gonna go all the way up to the title, and there's a option right here that says view. Click that, and it's gonna take you to your checkout cart. So pretty much what you want to do is go to the address bar, copy that link, go back to your page, Facebook page, and paste that right there. Okay? Now the next option, share this product on your page. Pretty much this option is, once they approve the product on Facebook, it's going to share it to your page. It's just like another post. With that post, it's going to show the price, who sells it, where to get it from. It's going to have all of those details. So I click that on every product that I update, and you're just going to click save. Once you click save, it's going to go away. It's not going to be automatically updated. What you're going to have to do is just refresh excuse me, refresh your internet browser, just like such, and it should pop up at the top. Now, I haven't had an issue where it didn't pop up at the top, so if it doesn't pop up, I'm just going to take that as it wasn't approved. And what you're going to do is, you can click on it if you want, and that's pretty much how it is. It's going to show just like that. So then people can go left and right. They can see exactly they can see all the products. All the products is going to have the product details right there on the side. And it's also going to show if they can like, comment, if people have liked or commented. You can actually reply just from there. Now this little blue bar right here, check out on website, pretty much that link is, well, that button is going to take them to that link, that checkout URL, to make it quick, fast, and easy for them to buy those products. So click it right there, and you see it takes you right there. It shows everything just like you're on your website. It's no extra stuff, no mishaps, no nothing. So it's like I said, it's very important that you get that checkout URL and you put it there, because if not, all it's gonna do is just take you to your homepage. And it's like some people, they're not gonna want to look for that product. Some people, we get a little lazy. You want it right then and there, boom, click it, and it's done. So make sure you get that checkout URL. Make sure you get that done. That concludes our video for now. Like I said, I will be updating more videos for Shopify customers or Shopify owners, and also Facebook page owners. So look out for those videos. Click that subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe, because guess what? You won't get that update once I upload those videos. So check out the website, jrwrightsapartment.com. That's jrwrightsapt.com. And click that follow button. More videos to come.